Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PANASONIC TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily force a soft reset on your TV. So if you want to restart your TV, an Android TV, you have to go to your settings on your TV and go to device preferences. Now you have to scroll all the way down so that you can see restart. You have to click on this and click restart now. You can use this button if you want to solve any problems that are with your TV right now, and it's just a good knowledge. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.